Want to create this animation in CapCut? All you want to do is follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open up CapCut in your laptop or PC. Now click on Create Project. Then you want to click on the sticker option at the top. Now you want to click on the charts option, which is also available in the CapCut free version. Now from here you want to click on charts, then select the line charts option from here. As you can see, there's only a single line over here. If you want to put multiple lines, then go ahead and click on the charts option again. From these options, select grouped line chart. Now you can click on the settings option and type in a suitable title. From settings, you can also change different things such as font and font style. You can toggle on the X-axis button from here. You can also enter the field name from here. Once you're done editing, you can also click on the Style and Animation tab. You can change your theme here. You've got 3 options: lively, professional, and neutral. You can also change the line from here. You can also change the colors and background. Scroll down and you also have the animation tab where you can change the sequence, effects, and duration. Once you're done editing, click on the option of Add to Timeline. Now go ahead and complete the rest of the editing process, and in this way you can create line chart in CapCut. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.